So hey guys, on crypto news January 27, Grimacecoin is grim indeed. So these are news headlines for January 27. So you guys, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button beneath our videos so you get notified whenever we drop beneficial uploads. So live on CoinMarketCap blog, article by Connor Sefton. When are we going straight in? These are some of the table of contents. So there's also the CoinMarketCap podcast, which you want to check out for more infos. Details note: do you want a Grimacecoin coin? So it's dangerous to joke in the crypto space. So this week, everyone's favorite dog lover, Elon Musk, tweeted that he would eat a McDonald's Happy Meal on TV if the fast food chain began accepting Dogecoin. So first off, who really needs to see Elon Musk eating a burger on TV? But moving on, McDonald's had a response ready, and it was almost as nonsensical as Musk's proposal. MCDs would accept Doge when Tesla began accepting Grimacecoin. So what is Grimacecoin, you may ask? Well, Grimace is a round-toed purple bean of indeterminate species with short arms and legs in the McDonald's universe. So we all know that this isn't a real coin, and Tesla couldn't possibly accept it as a payment, except that after McDonald's tweeted, more than 1,000 Grimace coins popped up for sale, with Grimace slash WBNB on PancakeSwap up 120%, 120,000%. The financial site Benzinga even published an entire guide into buying Grimace with sections such as is Grimace a good investment? So no, Grimace is not a good investment. It is not real. So but McDonald's made it real. And this is not the first time that a big company making a joke about a fake coin led to real people trading it. So, however, you need to remember that CoinMarketCap's amazing 2020 April Fool's joke when we listed toilet paper token TPT as number 0 on our page. TPTs began trading everywhere. So the lessons to be learned from these are both specific and broad. So if you're a company and you tweet about a fake coin, expect it to be traded on a decentralized exchange within the next hour. So if you're a meme coin again trader, beware of fake meme coins that will pump and dump faster than Elon Musk can think of his next tweet. So BTC falls after Fed announcement. So Bitcoin has fallen after the Federal Reserve confirmed that the interest rates are likely to increase in March. We also have next on the news headline says $30,000, 30,000 BTC millionaires have vanished. So BTC's dramatic crash over the past few months means tens of thousands of investors are no longer millionaires. So back on November, not long after BTC hit a new ATH of $68,000, grand total of 108 addresses had a balance that was greater than $1 million. Then Melania Trump's NFT sale ends in tears. So Melania Trump's collection hasn't performed anywhere near as well as she hoped. So the former first lady was auctioning off 3 items, including a hat she wore to France. Next on the list, we have crypto can make you attractive, poll suggested. If a new survey is to be believed, there is hope for single asset stock stakers who are hoping to find love this Valentine. So according to Ituro, 33% of Americans would actually be more likely to go on a date with someone who mentions cryptocurrencies in their dating profile. Next, we have crypto laundering surged by 30% in 2021. And MakerDAO's content seemed fire. So guys, that's all. It's your boy Keys. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in our future uploads and peace out, guys.